On behalf of Austin and Carina, I want to say a very special thanks to all of you for being here today as they embark together on a single journey. Austin, do you take Carina to be your wedded wife, to love, to respect, to continually bestow on her your heart's deepest devotion?
I do.
And Carina, do you take Austin to be your wedded husband?
I do.
As Austin and Carina have consented together in marriage before this company and before God, I do pronounce them husband and wife. Austin, this is the moment you've been waiting for. You may kiss your bride.